Whoopsie, hold on. Let's get it facing the right way here. No, no. There we go. There we go. Okay, are we centered? It's hard to tell, but I think close enough. I think that looks okay. Just take that over the edge just a tiny bit. And you will get down in the glue, because I say so. Let's just get the glue on it and wrap it over. Okay, I think we got it, so let's see how that goes. Get these strings out of there. Okay, well that wasn't that bad. Looks like it's sticking pretty good. Okay. So there's this little space here. I think that there's a acrylic piece that goes in there to cover up the front. I think. So, all right. I think we got it. Looks like it's pretty firm there. And then do this guy. So we don't want anything dripping, but I think it is going to help keep the roof pieces on. So let's see how we do there. Okay, that seems to be sticking okay. Everything seems to be pretty solid. I'm pleased with that. Oh, then we put the chimney. Okay, looks good, I think. Looks like it's sticking. So the bottom, it looks like just goes even with the rail. Just like so, I think. You can see. There we go. trying not to touch anything with my fingers because I really do have glue like all over. So you can see I fixed this back one with a blue Sharpie or a black Sharpie. Let me fix this one. Where did my Sharpie go? I'm only worried about it so much because it's in the front. But it's nice that it does kind of soak into the wood. As long as you don't get it on the red, you're fine. Then you can cover up all of those little nub things from the laser cutters. Okay, that's good. That'll chill out too as it soaks into the wood. Okay. Are we done with all the pieces? I think we are. So let's get it lit up here. So there's thick wires. Those are the wires from the switch thingy, or the electrical, or the little automatic-y thing, which I don't really care about, but I figure we'll try it. And then the thin wires that are from the lights. So we just need to separate out the thick and the thin wires. So we'll try to put those, come here, come here, come here. There we go. Okay. So now we need to figure out which one is on the right and which one is on the left. And I think we got it. Okay. So these I stripped. And these I will strip a little bit more because it looks like they need to be stripped a little bit more. Just kind of turning it, and then it kind of pops off, which is nice because that's not how these cords or these cords strip easily. Black to black. And red to red on these guys. Okay. Okay.